Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Charger hood vent. First, ensure your car is cool and parked on a level surface. You'll need a few basic tools, which we'll cover next. This method is designed to be straightforward, helping you avoid damage to your hood or the vent itself. We'll walk through each step carefully, making sure you feel confident throughout the process. For this task, you'll primarily need a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratching your paint. A small flathead screwdriver can be helpful for gently prying up stubborn clips, but use it with extreme caution. Always have a few clean microfiber towels on hand to protect the surrounding hood area. These simple items will make the job much easier and safer for your vehicle. Begin by using your plastic trim tool to gently pry up the outer edges of the hood vent. Work your way around, applying even pressure. Once you've created a small gap, you can usually see the retaining clips. Carefully release each clip, one by one, ensuring not to break them. With all clips disengaged, the vent should lift straight up and off the hood. Before reinstalling, take a moment to clean any debris from the hood opening and the vent itself. When putting the vent back, align all the clips with their corresponding slots. Apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel each clip snap into place. This ensures a secure fit and prevents any rattling. Double-check that the vent is flush with the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.